Hello everyone, I am Sanjana KS of first year engineering from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, and I am studying in Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangalore. Today I am going to speak on my innovative idea under the subject Innovation and Design Thinking. So my topic is inbuilt mobile projector. We all know that there is VPN for mobile projector, but my idea is about the projector which is inbuilt in a mobile phone. So adding mobile projector could be double-edged sword, and it will be helpful for the users for instant projecting their contents onto a larger screen without any accessories or cables. In education system, the teachers or lecturers can display education contents to the students using this mobile projector. And in gaming, gamers can project mobile games onto a larger screen for more gaming experience. During traveling, we can use the projector to watch movies, share travel photos or videos without any accessories or cables. There are many more useful contents in inbuilt mobile projector, and in case the projector is not available, having an inbuilt mobile projector can be a lifesaver because it allows us to deliver critical information during emergency time. So this is the overview of the inbuilt mobile projector. Materials required are light source, optical components, projection lens, electronic items, heat dissipation system, image processors, and color calibration. LEDs is required for light source and optical sensors are required for optical components. To focus and shape the projected images accurately, projection lenses are required. And to control the projector module, electronic items are required. And to control overheating, heat dissipation system is required. And image processor is very much required because the image should be presented in the large screen, and colors also is must. The projector feature requires additional power so that the phone's power management system needs to be adapted to handle the power increasing demands. So this is my idea on inbuilt mobile projector. Thank you.